Neil here from our Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. Now, I've probably seen this on other videos, but this is a really great example of where I talk a lot about space, light, and the relationship between those two. So when we're cleaning, you can see things are black like this, they absorb light, okay? Now, if you look around the edges, you look at how much light is now being reflected around the edges, and I'll show you as we work through here. It is phenomenal. And so once you bring light into a space, it actually feels more spacious. Okay, so that's one of the major reasons why I would encourage people to keep their spaces clean. Is first of all, it's part of, it's a beautiful thing. Your environment does shape you and influence you. You're going to feel better about it once you feel space, once there's light reflecting through, and also especially if you're cleaning up and getting ready for sale. But even if you're just maintaining your home at home, I would highly recommend it. Just have a look at the results we can get here on these tiles. This is already had some chemical on it, and we are now also using hot water through the surface cleaner. So as you can see, it's not a sunny day. We've got a sunshine behind the clouds. But look at this space now. I mean, there's a little bit more rinsing to do, so we'll finish this off later. But if you look at this space and you just look at how much light and space we have now in this courtyard compared to where we started, that should be enough proof to show you the joy of cleaning.